Here is how to change DNS server on Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead and follow the simple steps that I'm going to show in this video. This can improve your internet experience. So first, click on the Windows Start button and then tap on Settings, which is above the Power button. Once in the settings, click on Network and Internet. Now choose either your Ethernet or Wi-Fi depending on your location. Then go to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. And here tap on Use the following DNS server addresses. Open a web browser on your computer and then search for Google DNS Get Started. You will find the Google DNS addresses there, but the other DNS providers are also available. Copy the top IPv4 addresses and paste it into the preferred DNS field. Then copy the bottom IPv4 address and paste it into the alternate DNS field. If you want to configure IPv6, you can find the addresses on the same Google DNS page as well. Once you've entered the addresses, click on Save and then click on OK and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.